Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free emails from Apollo in 2026. So here we are in Apollo, we got a list, we got a bunch of leads, and the emails have not been unlocked. So how do we get them without paying? Well, first of all, we're going to go and get a little Chrome extension called Instant Data Scraper. Just download that one, then head back to Apollo. And once you have it, you can open it up right here in Chrome. And then you're just going to start scraping this data. So what you're doing now is that you're collecting the names and the websites. The websites are over on the right. So we're not getting the emails because we have not spent credits on them to unlock them in Apollo. We're just getting the names and the websites. And we can see here the data that is being scraped. I'm just going to do a small amount just to show how it works. So far it's scraped 125, scraped 5 pages. We'll just do one more page and then we'll stop. Okay, so now we got 6 pages. We got 150 people or 170 people even. Now we're just going to copy this and we're going to come over to this place called listfixer.io, which is an app with list tools for cold emailers. Just sign in here. So once you're signed in here, it's going to look like this, and the one we want to use, so here we have a bunch of different tools that you can use for lists. We are going to use the email guesser, but we're going to start off here in the lists tab and just click on paste data. And I copied that data from Apollo earlier, so here I'm just pasting it in, and all we want now is the websites and the names, and you can see that those were already auto detected here for upload, and we'll just name it test and add that scraped data here to our account. So now in this list tab, we have the websites here and we have the names here. Now we can just click here and select all of those. And yeah, on the free account here, you get some free credits. And then once we've selected these, we're going to come over here, click on Run Tool, and we're going to run these selected data on the email guesser tool. So just click there, send to email guesser, just click there, and then we can hop over to that tool here called email guesser, maybe refresh the page, and boom, there we go. Okay, so now what it's doing is it's testing different variations of emails, what it could be. So here it got one right. And so far we've guessed 42 of these. So now we have 50 verified emails. So it's guessing combinations of the names and the websites, and then it's verifying with an email verifier like Million Verifier or something. I mean, ListFixer also has an email verifier here. It's verifying all the variations that it's guessing, and it's only keeping the ones that pass the verification, as it says here. And the good thing about this is that if you actually go to Apollo and you pay for all this data, you still have to run these emails in a verifier, and then about 10% of them are going to fail, and then like 40% of them are going to be catch-all, they're going to be unknown, so the bounce rate on those is going to be really high, and then the rest of them are going to pass the verification from Apollo. So with this method, you're not getting quite as many verified emails that pass the verification as you would the normal way, but you're getting almost as many. So we got 62 verified emails here, and if we would have downloaded all that data from Apollo, we would have gotten maybe 80, 90, or 100 verified ones. So you can do this for free at low scale, but this is on the free plan of ListFixer. If you want to do it in bigger scale, you will have to pay for ListFixer, but it's still like 10 times cheaper, or the emails that you get are still going to be 10 times cheaper than if you just buy them from Apollo, and they're all going to be verified, and if you get them from Apollo, they're not going to be verified. So if we go back to the email guesser tool, you can just download this list now, and here's the list that we got back. Here we can see the columns with verified emails. Some of them are empty. That's where it was not able to verify and guess an email correctly. And if you go back to this lists tab in ListFixer, you can also see them here, or remove the blanks, that kind of thing. And then you can just download this data. And that's how to get free emails from Apollo in 2026.